2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a delicious journey back in time to rediscover the magic of traditional home cooking methods. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to rely on microwaves and air fryers. But there's something truly special about the techniques our grandparents and great-grandparents used. These methods aren't just about cooking food, they're about infusing it with love, patience, and a depth of flavor that's hard to replicate. First up, let's talk about slow cooking. I'm not just talking about your modern slow cooker, but the original concept. Simmering a stew or a tough cut of meat over low heat for hours and hours. Think of a Dutch oven on a stovetop, or even in a low-temperature oven. This gentle process breaks down connective tissues, making meat incredibly tender and succulent. The flavors don't just sit on top, they meld together, creating a rich, complex taste that's pure comfort in a bowl. It's perfect for those chilly days when you want your whole house to smell absolutely amazing. Next, let's explore the art of preserving. Before we had giant refrigerators, people had to get creative to make their harvest last through the winter. Canning and pickling were essential skills. Imagine capturing the bright, fresh taste of summer berries in a jar of homemade jam, or the crisp snap of a cucumber transformed into a tangy pickle. This isn't just about food storage. It's about transforming ingredients. The fermentation process in pickling also introduces beneficial probiotics, which are great for your gut health. It's a science and an art form all in one. Finally, we can't forget open flame cooking. Whether it's grilling over charcoal, roasting on a spit, or even just charring vegetables directly on a gas burner, cooking with fire imparts a smoky flavor that's simply irresistible. It's a primal, direct way of cooking that connects us to our ancestors. It's more than just a barbecue. It's about understanding heat and controlling it to achieve that perfect char on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and delicious. These traditional methods might take a little more time and effort, but the payoff in flavor and satisfaction is huge. They remind us to slow down, to connect with our food, and to appreciate the process. Why not try one of these techniques this week? You might just discover your new favorite way to cook. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more culinary adventures. See you next time.